Hello world, this is Random Fix, and my camper van has been complete. It's been through 24 states. At times we had 2 adults plus 2 kids in here, and this was my biggest concern. The bedding situation was super important to me, as I did not want any of the kids sleeping on the ground or on top in a tent, as it would go ahead and just rock the van more and more. So in this quick video today, I'm going to show you guys my solution, and I hope it gives you guys some ideas that are affordable and easy to do. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And another concern I had about my bedding system was the fact that it had to turn into a sitting space. So I wanted the van still to be usable to carry passengers. So I'm going to show you that now. And the best part about it, it also turns into a 4-person bench sitting that way and a 4-person bench sitting this way. So I want to share my story with you guys about this camper build that I completed here, and I've had a blast in this. I've gone through 24 states, so it is definitely road tested. When I bought the van, my biggest challenge was the beds, because I wanted to be able to sleep the 2 adults and the 2 kids. And a lot of times the setup was really complicated, or it was super expensive. There's beds out there, they call them the mother of all beds, and they want $5,000 for these beds. And I'm not paying $5,000 for a bed. That is crazy, and therefore I wanted to make you guys this video. So we are in the van here, and you guys can see we got a bench facing this way, and that bench right there cost me about $200. It is just mounted down below, and I have seat belts that run side to side, so I can fit 4 people back here. And there's another bench that faces that way, so we got a total of 8 in the back and 2 in the front and 1 behind the driver's side, so 11 passengers. And the bench actually comes in this pleather or leather material here, which makes it very comfortable for the rear occupants. And this video is really not about this bench, it's what this bench actually does. So if we go ahead and grab this bench, hold it down, now it turns into a big gigantic bed. Well, it's actually 2 beds, they're side to side. I normally sleep with my head up here, feet towards the bathroom, so in case I need to get up, it's much easier. And the measurements from side to side are going to be 67 inches from this section right here to this part right here, and front to back it is going to be measured at 71. And in case you guys decide to go with a similar setup over here, what you can do is fill in the little gap that will be left on the sides, which is going to be about 2 or 3 inches from where this is, and you can just grab some foam and wrap it up in some sort of upholstery that you like. And there's seat belts available for this as well, so make sure to check out the seat belts video, because it is really hard to locate long seat belts like this. And with this width, I'm able to sleep 1 adult here, 2 kids in the middle, and 1 more adult here. And this works great for me. And I want to share this with you guys in case you guys are running into an issue where you're trying to find something that sleeps 4 people. Maybe not 4 full-size adults, but 2 adults and 2 kids. This is a definite option. I'm going to go ahead and leave this in the video link down below. And it was $200 delivered. So very easy to do and install and get it going. If you guys don't want to break the bank, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment box down below. Thanks.